You are trying to change location in your Roblox account, you have no idea how to do it, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First, launch your Roblox app or you can navigate to the website of Roblox, provide your credentials and log into your account. Then navigate to this settings page. Once you're over here, scrolling down, you're going to find this option of account location. And here you're going to find the location that you have set while creating your account. Now, how can you change it? You won't get any option to change it. So what you have to do is open a new tab. Now type in Roblox Support form. Click on the very first one website option. You'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to fill out this form. First up, type in the username. Then type in the first name, email address, confirm your email address. Then you'll need to click on this drop down. Select the device in which you are using your Roblox account. Click on this drop down and select your help category. And finally, here you'll need to describe about the issue. Mention that you have moved to another place and now you want to change location in your Roblox account. You can mention the location that you want to set for your Roblox. Then click continue and submit this form. With that, Roblox support team will get back to you. And this might update your location on Roblox account. So that's all for this video. This way you can change account location in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.